Hey guys, it's Nate again. It's August 16th, and this is my thought of the day. So, I got a couple comments on a Substack that I published recently about sanctuary cities, and one of the themes of those comments was that it's illegal uh, to help criminals. Period. Um, that comment is off base for a number of reasons, but I just want to point out two of them today. First of all, it is not a crime to be here illegally. And I know that the Republicans, especially the maggots, love to conflate those terms, but they have distinct definitions, right? You can be here illegally in the sense that you are out of status. That does not make you a criminal. It is not a crime to be here illegally. It's a crime to enter illegally, but to be here illegally is not a crime. So being here out of status or being here undocumented is not synonymous with criminality. Okay, so that's the first misconception. The second misconception is that state and local governments declining to hold somebody for the purpose of enforcing federal immigration laws is not aiding and abetting a criminal. In fact, it is federalism in action. It is that is a feature of our federal constitution that it's called the anti-commandeering principle. The federal government does not have the right to force state and local governments to enforce federal law, especially something like immigration, which isn't even criminal. It is a civil matter. All right. So when you hear somebody retort, about these sanctuary city policies, say like, oh, they're aiding and abetting criminals. No, they're not, because being an illegal immigrant is not criminality. Those things are not synonymous. And because state and local governments are not required to act at the behest of the federal government. It's part of our system of federalism in the United States, part of our system of dual sovereignty. So just keep those things in mind next time you're talking to somebody, you're debating politics with somebody. They may not be aware of those things, or they may be aware of them and they're just skipping over it because they're idiots.